May I have your attention, ladies and gentlemen? We will commence very shortly. You all are requested to kindly be seated and please turn your cell phones to the silent mode so as to avoid disturbances during the proceedings. Also, strictly adhere to the norms like wearing a mask, using a sanitizer, physical distancing throughout for your safety along with that of others in view of the ongoing public health crisis. Thank you. देवी और सज्जनों, बस कुछ ही समय में हम कार्यक्रम आरंभ करने वाले हैं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कृपया बैठ जाएं और अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन साइलेंट मोड पर रखें। कोरोना के चलते खुद की और अन्य सभी की सुरक्षा हेतु सारे नियमों का अनुपालन करें। उदाहरण के तौर पर मास्क पहनना, शारीरिक दूरी बनाए रखना एवं सैनिटाइजर का प्रयोग करना। धन्यवाद। We will commence with the national anthem. Kindly rise in its honor.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Shukriya. Kindly be seated. Namaskar and a very good morning, everybody. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you for this extremely special event, listing of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, a wholly owned Government of India company conferred with the Mini Ratnavan status and India's only shipyard to have built destroyers and conventional submarines for the Indian Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, as the world is opening up and as we are inching back to new normalcy, the listing ceremony is happening physically in this International Convention Hall of BSE, of course, adhering to the protocol directives and guidelines that have been issued by the authorities. As there is a restriction to the number of people gathering, as you all are aware, most have joined through webcast. आज के कार्यक्रम के लिए उपस्थित सभी का मैं मानसी तहदिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। We have with us retired Vice Admiral Indian Navy Narayan Prasad ji, Chairman and Managing Director Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Director Finance and CFO Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO BSE, Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Executive Director Axis Capital Limited, Shri Jayapratap Anakhia, Vice President Merchant Banking, Yes Securities India Limited, Srimati Nishita John, Deputy Vice President Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, Shri Atul Mehra, CEO Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited, Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, Dr. Alok Pandey, Joint Secretary, DIPAM, and Shri V.L. Kantha Rao, Additional Secretary, DP, Ministry of Defense, DDP, will be joining us virtually from New Delhi. भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर हम कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करेंगे. In keeping with the Indian tradition, we will commence by lighting of the lamp. Due to social distancing norms, I will call upon only 2 esteemed dignitaries at a time. I request Retired Vice Admiral Indian Navy Narayan Prasad ji, Chairman and Managing Director Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, and Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Director, Finance and CFO, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, to kindly do us the honors. Please. दीपेन लोकान जयति दीपस्तेजो मयः स्मृतः चतुर्वर्ग प्रदोदीपन तस्मात् दीप यजेत प्रिये. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, "The lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory." I will now call upon Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO BSC, along with Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Executive Director, Axis Capital Limited. The blowing of the conch is considered very, very auspicious in Indian tradition. Shankha bajana behad pavitra mana jata hai Bharatiya Sanskriti mein. Thank you, sir. You may please be seated. I will now call upon Shri Jayapratap Anakhya, Vice President, Merchant Banking, Yes Securities India Limited, along with Srimati Nishita John, Deputy Vice President, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, to kindly do the honors. As I was narrating the meaning of the Sanskrit shlok that I recited earlier on, I will now invite Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. Shri Atul Mehra, CEO, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited, has not arrived yet, but he will be joining us very, very soon. दीप प्रज्वलित हो गया है, कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन भी हो गया है. The lamp being lit, the function being inaugurated. I will now call upon Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Executive Director, Axis Capital Limited, for the opening address.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to have you all here with us for the listing ceremony of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. On behalf of Axis Capital, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, led by Vice Admiral Narayan Prasad, Chairman and Managing Director of MDL, on the fabulous work done over last so many months to ensure a super successful IPO. I would also like to congratulate the team at DPAM, led by Dr. Alok Pandey, and the team at Department of Defense Production, led by Shri V.L. Kantarao. We at Axis Capital feel extremely privileged to have had the opportunity of being part of this historic IPO of a one-of-its-kind company, the only shipyard to build submarines and destroyers in India, and aptly called the shipbuilder to the nation. Listing ceremony of an IPO is a momentous occasion, but this listing ceremony has many more reasons to be special than any other IPO. Some of the reasons include the following. Reason number one, this is the first IPO under the government divestment program for this financial year. Reason number two, this is perhaps the highest ever subscribed public sector IPO with an overwhelming total subscription of over 155 times and garnering over rupees 69,000 crores for an IPO size of rupees 444 crore. Reason number three, with the non-institutional investor portion being subscribed 668 times, this is also the highest subscribed IPO of size greater than rupees 400 crore in this category. Strangely, investors who have invested in this category and have taken leverage funding or IPO funding have to bear an interest cost which is as high as almost 90% of the IPO price per share. Reason number 4, this is amongst the very few IPOs which have received overwhelming response from retail individual investors, and the total number of application forms that came in the IPO was in excess of 26.5 lakh forms. There are very few IPOs in this country wherein more than 25 lakh retail individual investors have applied. And reason number 5, and we should not undermine this reason, this is amongst the very few IPOs which have been launched simultaneously with 2 more competing IPOs that opened and closed on the same dates. And yet this IPO has been able to get phenomenal response from all categories of investors. The phenomenal response just goes on to show the tremendous faith that investors have put in the management team and the business of MDL. Having said so, the success of this offering would not have been possible without the efforts of DPAM, DDP, and the entire IPO teams of MDL, merchant bankers, legal counsels, and other intermediaries associated with this IPO, who all have done a fantastic job on all aspects of this transaction. MDL is an 86-year-old institution that has been serving the nation and plays an important part in building defense equipment for our safety and security. With this IPO, an addition of over 1 lakh new shareholders, their responsibility has just increased. We wish the MDL team the very best for this new journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Toshniwal, for putting this IPO as well as MDL in a nutshell for all present. Thank you very much. I will now invite Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Director, Finance and CFO, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, to address this August gathering, along with those who have joined us virtually, of course.
Thank you for the kind introduction and a very vibrant good morning, ladies, gentlemen, distinguished guests, and all those who are with us today through the webcast. It is indeed an honor and pleasure for me to be here on the day of listing of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. First of all, let me express my deepest gratitude to the entire investors community for reposing such a humongous amount of faith and trust in MDL. Team MDL truly stands humbled. We hold ourselves accountable towards each one of the investors, each one of the applicants, and not just the successful allottees, and shall endeavor to live up to the expectations of the entire investors community. Today is indeed a red letter day in the annals of MDL, marking its successful transition from a closely held company to a widely held public limited company. The response to IPO is a testimony in our strong business foundations and continuous pursuit of excellence. We shall continue to march forward on our chosen path. As far as equity markets are concerned, the importance of equity markets cannot be overstated. Equity markets are a vital engine of economic growth. It has a profound impact on the rate at which our economy grows and creates jobs. It has an impact on the welfare of millions of individuals by turning the savings of investors into capital for business, enabling a flow of funds from investors to entrepreneurs and then back again to the investors by way of dividends and capital gains. Those who purchase a stock, for example, have the confidence that they will be able to sell that stock at a fair and efficient price in the secondary market when they need to or want to. And of course, the value assigned to the stock in the secondary market plays an important role in the ability of the companies to raise additional funds for fueling their expansion and growth programs. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank profusely to my internal core team, which has been associated with this entire IPO process right from the very beginning, very ably led by our ED Finance, Mr. Satish Shenoy. My thanks to the entire board of directors, all the functional directors, independent directors, and Honorable Chairman and Managing Director. I am certainly privileged to be part of such an elite board. My thanks are also due to DPAM, who were associated with us all through the process, giving us little nudges and pushes wherever we were found slightly deviating from the track. My thanks to Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense, for their very, very prompt responses whenever it was required. My thanks are also due to all the employees of MDL, past or present, who have brought MDL to such a commanding heights of glory. I would also like to convey my thanks to all the professional agencies involved with this entire process of IPO, all the BRLMs, the legal teams, the bankers, the syndicate members, registrars, the PR agencies. Without the support of you people, this would not have been possible. Lastly, I would also like to thank the previous management who had actually prepared the foundations for this IPO. Without the strong foundations, considering the COVID times, this would have been a much more challenge for us to complete the process in the given timelines. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Singhal, for your address on this highly significant occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Dr. Alok Pandey, Joint Secretary, DIPAM, who is joining us virtually from New Delhi now. Just a few moments. Welcome, sir.
First of all, a very big thanks to all the investors from our side. Against an issue size of rupees 444 crores, we received your interest of close to 70,000 crores and more than 28 lakh retail applications, which makes us truly feel humbled. It also gives us the confidence to, in the faith in our capital markets, to take on even bigger issues, including that of LIC. Today is really a red letter day in the life of MDL, and by becoming the shareholders of this wonderful company, not only have you shown your trust and confidence, but also you have given them a great responsibility going forward. This responsibility of consistently creating value for the company and its shareholders year after year and quarter after quarter is what rests with the CMD and his team now. I am very confident that MDL would be able to do it under the able leadership of Sri Narayan Prasad CMD. He's an extremely vibrant person, and those of you who know him would recollect that even in his greetings, he brings a great vibrancy to the day. He is ably assisted by all his directors, including Sri Singhal, who has had a key role to play in this particular IPO. This journey of coming to listing has really tested our patience as well as commitment. One of these has been the COVID-19 itself. This firm, friends, as you would know, is not one where you can work from home. This is the firm which requires physical presence. In May, the CMD himself and more than 150 people in his team were down with COVID. That they were able to still prepare for the IPO and do it in time shows their fighting abilities. I remember a meeting where the ambient air was one of despair, and we decided that even if there is a 10% chance of overcoming the challenges, let's do it. And that, dear friends, has made all the difference. We look forward to creating value for the company together with you, and my hearty congratulations to all employees of the company who participated in large numbers in the IPO. Rarely do we see the employee portion being booked fully, but this is an IPO which has broken several records, including being the highest subscribed PSU IPO. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my colleagues in DIPAM and also in DODP, particularly Mr. Suren Yadav, my colleague Joint Secretary, the merchant bankers, JM, Axis, Edelweiss, WISEC, and DAM Capital, who deputed their top leadership to sort out all issues concerning this IPO. Salil, Dharmesh, Arun, Amishi, and Satyen, many, many thanks. The two stock exchanges, BSE and NSE, in particular BSE for today's ceremony, SEBI and Registrar of Companies, and Concept Communications also deserve my hearty appreciation and thanks. Jai Hind and thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Pandey, for extending your best wishes to the IPO and also for narrating how, in spite of so many challenges, the IPO came out in time. And now here we are. I will be inviting retired Vice Admiral, Indian Navy, Shri Narayan Prasad, Chairman and Managing Director, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, to say a few words on this extremely happy and joyous occasion, sir.
A very vibrant good morning to all of you. It's indeed a matter of great honor, pride, and privilege for me to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of IPO of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. As you are aware, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited is the oldest shipyard in India with inception in 1774, incorporated in 1934, and taken over by the Government of India in 1960. MDL is the only shipyard in India to have built destroyers and two different types of conventional submarines for the Indian Navy, and is also one of the unique shipyards in the world with such a diverse range of products. Since 1960, when it was taken over by the Government of India, MDL has built 796 vessels, including 25 warships and 4 conventional submarines. The first warship built by MDL was commissioned into the Indian Navy way back in 1972, and the first submarine in 1992, which demonstrates our resolve towards Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiative since that time. In commercial sector, MDL has built 637 vessels comprising cargo ships, supply vessels, water tankers, tugs, dredgers, fishing trawlers, barges, etc. Now, besides all these, we have also built 63 number offshore platforms, 3 process platforms, 2 jack-up rigs. Now, out of these 631 vessels that we have built, 243 vessels were exported to Mexico, France, UK, Iran, Yemen, Mozambique, etc. MDL's recent deliveries are the Project 15 Alpha destroyers we delivered for the Indian Navy, INS Kolkata in 2014, Kochi in 2015, Chennai in 2016, and 2 Scorpion-class submarines, Kalveri in 2017 and Khanderi in 2019. And these orbits constitute the sharpest combat edge presently of the Indian Navy. MDL's strategic location on west coast of India, connecting with busy international maritime route from Europe to Pacific, and at the center of sea lines of communication with rich industrial ecosystem and easy access to trained and disciplined workforce, provides strategic advantage over all its peers. MDL has completed modernization and upgradation of its facilities to contemporary world-class standards with virtual reality lab, product data management, product lifecycle management, modular integrated construction, which enables us the capability and capacity to construct and repair 10 warships and 11 submarines simultaneously. MDL presently has a robust order book of about 54,000 crores plus, comprising of 40 number Project 15 Bravo destroyers, 40 number Project 17 Alpha stealth frigates, and 6 Scorpion submarines, We also have with us MRLC, which is a repair program of a submarine in our hand. We have a very strong future outlook. The future order book, as per maritime capability perspective plans of the Indian Navy and Coast Guard, comprise of some 6 in number new generation missile vessels, 6 in number new generation offshore patrol vessels, host of corvettes, landing craft, polar research vessels, cadet training ships, and also for the Coast Guard, fast patrol craft, and air cushion vessels. MDL has plans for diversification of revenue stream into export, repair, and refit. Our target countries for export in Africa are Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Cameroon, and they are all for very important projects like floating dock, fishing trawlers, offshore patrol vessels. So we have our hands full in terms of future outlook. In Middle East, Egypt and Saudi Arabia for anchor handling tugs, Portugal for marine electrical equipment, Bangladesh for large patrol craft and floating dock, South America, Peru for offshore patrol vessels, and Argentina for offshore patrol vessels for the Coast Guard. Now, big ticket items which is available to befall all of us in the next about 3 to 4 years horizon comprises of construction of 6 in number conventional air-independent propulsion system fitted submarines, which is going to be pegged at about 45,000 crores rupees. 6 in number, construction of 6 in number destroyers for the Indian Navy, and we are the only having this particular capacity to have built and to build these kinds of a destroyer, and this program is going to be pegged at about 50,000 crores. So you have a very strong visibility right in front of us for about 1 lakh crores, and MDL has got a very, very strong contention for these programs because we are the only shipyards who have built it and done it before. Let me assure you the vision and mission of Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. MDL shall strive to be a progressive and profitable shipyard building world-class warships and submarines using state-of-art technology, and would deliver quality ships in time within budgeted cost, and to be a world leader in warship building. In the current COVID-19 pandemic times, MDL stood fully committed to the nation's support to fight COVID-19 by committing 50% of its CSR funds to government COVID centers and for restoration of food supply and livelihood generation. For the grand success of MDL IPO, which is oversubscribed 157.42 times, I take this opportunity to thank first the investors for having reposed unstinted faith and confidence in Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, BRLMs, Yes Securities, Axis Capital, Edelweiss, IDFCs, our syndicate members, registrar to the offer, Alankit Assignments Limited, our bankers, IDBI, Axis Bank, ICICI, our media management team, for so beautifully choreographing our success story. Also, a huge set of thanks to the Department of Defense Production and Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. Once again, a huge thanks to all of you for such a wonderful support and necessary guidance and course corrections wherever required. Once again, towards my end, I would like to convey my sincerest thanks to all of you. And in COVID times where everybody's chips are down, it's difficult to keep your morale up. लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आप सब परिवार हमेशा खुशहाल रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, प्रसन्नचित रहें और चिंता मुक्त रहें, और कायनात की सारी ताकतें आपको सपरिवार हमेशा महफूज रखें और कभी भी आपको नेक राहों से गुमराह होने ना दें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. धन्यवाद एंड जय हिंद.
आज के इस अहम अवसर पर सभी को संबोधित करते हुए आपने हम सबको शुभकामनाएं दी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. ऑल्सो थैंक यू फॉर हाईलाइटिंग द मेजर माइलस्टोन्स ऑफ MDL, right from its establishment to the future plans, also accommodating the social commitment of MDL in the pandemic situation. We will now have from New Delhi joining us Shri V.L. Kanta Rao, Additional Secretary, Defense Production, Ministry of Defense, Department of Defense Production.
Good morning. Can you hear me? Good morning. And thank you very much for letting me join this historic listing ceremony of MDL. It's a matter of pride for me as a director of MDL as well as a representative of the Ministry of Defense to be present at the listing ceremony of MDL on the Bombay Stock Exchange today. I think this marks the beginning of a new phase of strong growth in the company. As the CMD has already mentioned, MDL undertakes some of the most strategic and prestigious projects for the Indian Armed Forces. And therefore, it is no surprise that the IPO received such resounding success. This is also a manifestation of public's faith, not only in the management of the MDL, but also the policies of the government. As some of you may be aware, the Department of Defense Production has 9 PSUs, and out of them 6 are already listed as of yesterday. And today, the 7th PSU is getting listed. And we also hope the other 2 PSUs will shortly be in the same path. I think this is the second shipyard that is getting listed after GRSE. And the people have seen that GRSE has done very well after getting listed. And I'm sure MDL will also follow the same path. I think people have now reposed faith in MDL, and it is the time now for MDL to rise to the occasion and return a higher value of money for its shareholders. So I once again wish MDL all the success, and I want to assure MDL that we will provide all the support from the ministry, from the department, for all its endeavors, all those items the CMD has mentioned that they're going to undertake. We are here to support you, and we wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for all the support so far and as assured in the coming times too. I will now invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, for his address.
Dr. Alok Pandey, Shri Narayan Prasad, Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Shri V.L. Kanta Rao, Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Shri Jay Pratap Anakia, Srimati Nishita Jaun, Shri Atul Mehra, Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta. A very good morning to everyone. As we emerge stronger from the ongoing pandemic, it feels good that equity raising and listing ceremonies at the International Convention Hall of BSE are once again becoming the norm. After a hiatus of close to 4 months, it feels good that a succession of IPOs, both the main board and SMEs, have hit the market. Before I begin, I want to extend our deepest gratitude to all those who are on the front lines battling this crisis, including doctors, officials from the Government of India, the state governments, the local BMC, the sanitary workers, police, and everyone else who are doing everything they can to keep our society running so that listing ceremony like this can happen. Our words are few but heartful. The same goes for our colleagues at BSE and all of our members, including merchant bankers, whose tireless commitment ensured that your exchange was fully functional from day one and ensured uninterrupted business continuity for market participants across India. Although many of BSE employees and the broker employees have resumed coming to the office across India, like operations, information technology, surveillance, close to 75 to 80% of all employees of BSE and its members are still working from home. Despite the challenges, it gives me great pride that BSE is operating at 100% with no system glitches or technical outages. BSE is also able to roll out unique features to add to the robustness of Indian capital markets, including negative pricing options for commodities, Aadhaar and video KYC-based investors onboarding solutions for BSE Star MF, etc. Importantly, during the lockdown in India, fundraising via the BSE platform continued. Funds worth more than Indian rupees 8.13 lakh crore were raised via equities, debt, and commercial papers during financial year 2021, starting from April 1. So far, ensuring that the system is flush with liquidity when businesses need the most. On this note, it gives me great pleasure to welcome Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders to the main board of BSE. BSE is proud to host India's leading defense public sector undertaking shipyard under the aegis of Ministry of Defense on this platform. I would also like to inform everyone that BSE also hosted the listing of Cochin Shipyard, also a premier shipbuilding facility, in August 2017. We had the pleasure of hosting Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, Honorable Minister of Road and Transport and Highways and Shipping, Government of India at that time. At BSE, we are strongly aligned with the policies of Sri Narendra Modi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, and his push for Make in India initiatives. The government steps to ban 101 defense items, which clearly indicates government's focus on indigenization to promote and create big opportunities in Indian defense sector. BSE fully supports the Mazgaon Dock Shipyard's focus on indigenization under Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives by constructing and repairing warships and submarines for the Indian Navy and the rest of the world. We are proud of you. Listing of a company is a key step for moving forward, opening new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from the over 4,800 companies listed on the BSE platform, the world's largest. BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets. It is Asia's first exchange, which was set up in 1875, 145 years back. India's first universal exchange to offer trading in all asset classes and the fastest stock exchange in the world, the speed of 6 microseconds. It provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, currencies, commodities, interest rates, mutual funds, stock lending and borrowing, etc. BSE puts forward a strong, robust platform for investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. I'm sure our newest member will continue to add value to the Indian capital markets. The IPO, which is a book-built public issue, consisted of 3,599,070 17 equity shares of rupees 10 each in the price band of rupees 135 to rupees 145, aggregating to rupees 443.68 crores. Despite the challenging times, the issue was oversubscribed by a whopping 155.5 times overall, with retail category oversubscribed by 30.81 times, non-institutional category by 668.03 times, and QIB categories by 89.87 times. As one drives to BSE via the Eastern Freeway, it is impossible to miss the giant imposing Goliath cranes belonging to Mazgaon Docks Shipyard with such a remarkable response. Mazgaon Dock Shipyard is well poised to grab even more eyeballs going forward. I congratulate Ministry of Defense, the management of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders, merchant bankers, Yes Securities, Axis Capital, Edelweiss Financial Services, DAM Capital Advisors, JM Financial, and everyone involved with this issue for receiving such an overwhelming response and successful listing as they forge forward in their business. I extend my best wishes to the company and once again welcome them on the main board of BSE. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship with the Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders, who are also our neighbors, in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those uplifting words. I will now request Shri Jai Pratap Anakia, Vice President, Merchant Banking, Yes Securities India Limited. Sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a momentous day in the life of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, a legendary institution with a history of over 2.5 centuries, with a company aptly known as the shipbuilders to our nation. Today gets transformed into a publicly held company as it welcomes newest members to its family of shareholders. I'm very delighted to be present here today to celebrate the debut listing of MDL. MDL is the backbone of shipbuilding in the country, and it provides Indian Navy its means to flex its muscles with by building world-class stealth frigates, destroyers, and submarines. MDL made the whole country proud on 7th of February 1992 when India was able to join an exclusive group of submarine constructing nations with commissioning of the first Indian-built submarine, INS Shalki, constructed by MDL, and has never looked back since. Today, I would like to use this opportunity to thank Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense, and Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, Ministry of Finance, for providing us with the opportunity to be a part of this IPO. My special thanks to Shri Alok Pandey, Joint Secretary DIPAM, for his continuous support and trust. I would like to congratulate Vice Admiral Shri Narayan Prasad, Chairman and Managing Director, and his entire team of MDL on the momentous occasion of the listing of the IPO. Sir, I am sure the team will leave no stone unturned in the upholding the overwhelming faith shown by all investor categories towards the company. It has been a fulfilling journey for Yes Securities as a left lead BRLM to the IPO of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders. It has been a great honor and privilege to be a part of this IPO. Celebrating success is incomplete without acknowledging the commendable efforts made by all the people who were involved in the entire IPO journey. I would like to thank all my fellow BRLMs, legal counsel, registrar, printer, the exchanges, and every other stakeholders who collectively helped make us this IPO a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I will now invite Srimati Nishita John, Deputy Vice President, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to everyone. It's been over 6 months that I've stepped out of the house, and what a glorious occasion indeed. It's an honor to share this platform with the esteemed dignitaries on this momentous occasion. It's a matter of great pride for all of us that Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited is listing on the Indian stock exchanges today. We at Edelweiss are privileged to have been associated with this IPO and would like to thank the Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, the Ministry of Defense, and the Mazgaon Dock Management for giving us the opportunity. It's been an extraordinary journey for all of us. In fact, being a part of the IPO right from the beginning, some of us were very privileged to see a submarine up close. It was a sheer sense of pride that we felt in India's defense capabilities. Through the presentation and speeches of all the dignitaries earlier today, we saw the remarkable history of Mazgaon Dock as a Government of India company and the strategic role that it plays in our national security. Surely no words or phrases can be enough to capture its significance. The overwhelming response to the IPO only goes to showcase the confidence of the investors in the company, setting new records in terms of subscriptions and attracting nearly 70,000 crore rupees of application despite there being simultaneous IPOs happening at the same time. Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders has now grown to a family of more than 1 lakh shareholders, and we are confident that the company will continue to achieve the same success and growth as it has demonstrated in the past. I would also like to take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts and support of the regulators, the exchanges, and all the intermediaries involved. On behalf of Edelweiss, I would like to congratulate the Government of India and the Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Management for the grand IPO and wish you all the very best for a blockbuster listing. Thank you.
The ringing of the gong will take place exactly at 10 o'clock. There is a presentation of mementos we will do after the ringing of the gong. But prior to that, I will request Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to the great listing ceremony of Mazgaon Dock Shipyards. At Dam Capital, we take pride at being associated with Mazgaon Docks to go public and feel privileged to have introduced them to the Indian capital markets. As you all are aware, this is our first IPO in the new brand, Dam Capital, after taking over IDFC Securities. So it's a momentous occasion for us also. The rupees 444 crore IPO of Mazgaon Dock Shipyards, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited saw a total subscription of 69,800 crores, which makes it one of the highest subscribed PSU IPOs. And trust me, sir, I've done many IPOs in my life, maybe the maximum, and this one has been the most resounding success I've ever seen. So big congratulations to the management, to the Defense Ministry, the DPAM, and all my fellow BRRMs for doing a phenomenal job and bringing a phenomenal company to the capital markets. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the investors for showing faith in the management, and I'm sure the management will spare no effort in keeping the faith of investors by utilizing the new opportunities of money in front of them. With that note, I again congratulate the Ministry of Defense, DPAM management team, and all my BRLMs colleagues for this record subscription, and I'm very sure we're going to have a blockbuster listing. Congratulations.
Thank you, and as mentioned, we will be presenting the mementos after the ringing of the gong, as it is 9:58 already. The ringing of the gong will take place sharp at 10 o'clock. So the momentous time for which we were eagerly awaiting is fast approaching. I invite retired Vice Admiral Indian Navy Narayan Prasad, CMD, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, and Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Director, Finance and CFO, MDL, along with Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD, CEO, BSE. We also have with us Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta, MD and CEO, Dam Capital Advisors Limited. We are less than half a minute away from 10 o'clock. 20 seconds less. I would request you to put your hands together when the countdown begins as the timer strikes 10 seconds less. Ma'am, please. Sir, please. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. It's truly an honor to be introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited have been officially listed on the BSE platform. Many congratulations to the management, investors, stakeholders. Moments to be treasured in the form of photographs, yes. यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए. All right, I would request Mr. Narayan Prasad to please stay back on the stage. I request the rest to kindly take your seats, please. All right. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ladies. Mr. Prasad, please stay back as we will now be presenting the mementos. I invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD CEO, BSE, to please step up and receive a memento from retired Vice Admiral, Indian Navy, Shri Narayan Prasad Ji, Chairman and Managing Director, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. That is a beautiful replica of a ship. Appears like a small technical glitch with the lightings levels going down, but never mind, we will continue. Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Executive Director, Axis Capital Limited. Shri Jay Pratap Anakia, Vice President, Merchant Banking, Yes Securities India Limited. Shrimati Nishita John, Deputy Vice President, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited. Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. And the agency, Concept Communications Limited. We have Lalit from Concept accepting the memento. We will make sure that we deliver Mr. Mehra's memento to him. Thank you, sirs. Well, on that note, we conclude the function. कार्यक्रम का समापन हो गया है. This is Manasi taking a leave. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day ahead. मैं मानसी आपसे विदा लेती हूँ. Stay safe, stay well, and stay healthy.